Welcome to this quick and updated guide on how to enable file transfer notifications on Dropbox. If you've been missing alerts when your files upload or download, don't worry, this video will help you turn them back on in just a few seconds. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you can manage every app and its notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap to open it. The apps section lists everything installed on your device. Now, look for Dropbox in that list and tap on it. This will open up Dropbox app info page where you can see all the options for how the app behaves on your phone. From here, tap on notifications. This area controls what kinds of alerts Dropbox can send you. Next, tap on notification categories. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as notification types or manage categories. This is where Dropbox groups all of its different alert options like syncing, sharing activity, and file transfers. Now, look for the file transfer option. This is the one that notifies you whenever a file is being uploaded or downloaded through your Dropbox account. If the toggle next to it is turned off, simply switch it on. You'll see it light up or change color, confirming that your file transfer notifications are now active. From this point onward, you'll start receiving alerts whenever Dropbox transfers files, helping you stay informed about your uploads and downloads in real time. It's a small setting that can make a big difference, especially if you rely on Dropbox to move important documents or collaborate with others. That's it. You've successfully enabled file transfer notifications on Dropbox. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might need the same quick fix. Thanks for watching.